Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorials, and today I'll show you how to go back to English in your Google Chrome. To do that, click on these three little dots up here and choose this third from the bottom section, this option. And over here, expand this until you see this globe icon on the left side. It will be languages. And over here we can see the language, it's Croatian, so we will just drop down and click the blue link to add another language and type in English and add it. Okay, and now click the English language and the first option. Okay, and now hit this button next to the English language. And you can see that now our Google Chrome is in English language. And this is it. This is how you change Google Chrome language back to English. I hope this was helpful to you. So drop some comments and likes below and have a nice day. Bye bye.